The next exercise in this series is a simple heel raise. So I would stand behind the chair or some stable surface. If you feel that you have to lean on something, you might use the walker in front of you, but the objective is to try not to lean on anything in front of you, just touch it for balance. If you watch my feet, all I'm doing is I'm going up on my toes, I'm lifting my heels off the ground, and then I control the descent. One of the mistakes that patients tend to make is they lift their heels beautifully and then they drop themselves down real quick. We want to control that descent. Up is just as important as going down. We want to absorb the impact. We want to absorb the shock. Now, what's nice about this exercise is I could do both feet at the same time. I could lift one foot and I can do one foot at a time. I can also do this in different positions. I'll move the chair so you can see a little better. If I was walking, when my surgical foot is in front, I could be in this position. I could still have the walker to support me, and I can do my heel raises with my surgical leg in front. I can also do my heel raises with my surgical leg behind. And this is the beginning of improving and normalizing your gait pattern, your walking pattern, so that you can get back to walking normally once you've recovered from the post-surgical, once you've recovered from the knee replacement.